And so what does DEI look like on college campuses? From the investigative reporting I've done, the work with state legislators that I've done, and also the work that I've done as a trustee of the New College of Florida, a public university in Sarasota. First of all, it's a policy of sometimes explicit and oftentimes implicit racial discrimination. A total violation of the policy, or the principle rather, of colorblind equality. You see this all along the line. Universities, I have documents, thousands of pages of documents, will actually publish this in their own materials, as they have suspected that no one was looking. Outright discrimination, quotas, disparate treatment on the basis of identity in hiring, in admissions, in promotions, and in other programming. DEI in practice imposes an ideological orthodoxy on faculty and students that undermines the pursuit of truth, which should be the highest value of the university. It subordinates the culture of truth-seeking with the culture of political activism.